Morning, ladies and gents. We are here at Waterfalls having a look at a pair of two flats, 2 bedrooms each. Main bedroom self-contained, Waterfalls area near Waterfalls Clinic. The houses are up for sale, as is 950,000 kwacha, negotiable. It's a good deal. There's already a borehole on site. The plumbing work, the internal part of the internal works have already been done. This is the borehole here, and then the borehole is up to 90 meters. The wiring has completely been done. Roofing has been done. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I think it's something worth it for investment purposes. So that little structure there is where the tank stand is supposed to go, as well as an external storeroom. Let's go inside, have a look, and let's see what's what. So here we are. This is the kitchen side. So as you can see, wiring is already done on the top. So here's where your sink is supposed to come and sit. Your cupboard spaces. And then here, dining area there for your sink. Let's go through the rest of the house. So this is the living room area. Roofing was done very, very well. Let's continue. So this is supposed to be a communal bathroom area. And then here, this is our guest room. It's a decent size as well. Let's go now to the main bedroom. So here, supposed to have your bathtub, toilet, sink, and then your main bedroom, of course. Very nice spot. I don't think anyone who has foresight can doubt that this is a good deal. Only 950,000 kwacha, negotiable. Plot size is 20 by 26. Something to really consider for a good investment portfolio. You've got your fence, your gate as well. Overall, I think this is a good deal. The soakaway has already also been done as well. So it's just about finding the right buyer to come and finish this off. Signing off, Z Realtor. Let's keep in touch.